How to act and look mature, girls. Maturity is something that makes people admire you and notice you, as well as respect you. As a teenage girl, you will seem different from others if you really work on being mature and classy. Steps. 1. Have good posture. Stand up straight, keep your shoulders back and hold your head up. 2. Feel proud and love yourself. Be kind and do nice things for others. When people compliment you and thank you, you'll feel better about yourself. Let your feelings out by writing in a diary. Let the past be the past. Forgive yourself. Everyone makes mistakes, and you deserve a fresh beginning. Learn to forgive others, and learn to forgive yourself. Say out loud, I forgive myself for ___________________________________________________________________ Make ITLL make you feel better and help keep it out of your mind. Put positive statements where you will see them every day. I am beautiful or I have a lot of courage on your mirror or your refrigerator. Don't define yourself by what you have or haven't done. Celebrate accomplishments, certainly, but don't put yourself down because you haven't done this or that. Be who you really are, and trust yourself. Give yourself hugs. Sounds cheesy, but it works. Do what you love and indulge yourself. Know how to say no to people. Treat yourself like your very best friend. Don't compare to others, and accept yourself the way you are. 3. Put on makeup. But only a little. You'll want to use casual makeup such as bronzer, blush, eyeshadow, and mascara. 4. Be tough, but polite. Nobody wants a girl who is all up in their face. However, never be too much of a pushover. 5. Dress according to your style and maturity. If you are super mature, wear a bold red ruffle skirt and a black tank top tucked into your skirt. You can use any color, depending on how mature you are. 6. Make good friends. Have mature friends that respect you, and think that all of them, and you, are mature. 7. Have fun. Maturity is part of growing up. Embrace it. Tips. Be respectful to your parents and siblings. Just because you are mature, you do not have to be mean to them.